Alrighty, the next oil that we're going to talk about from the Premium Starter Kit is Panaway. One of the things you'll notice is this has a little bit of a different lid. It is one that you have to press down and turn to open it. That's just because it has wintergreen in it. So nothing to be worried about. Just know that you will have to turn it a little bit differently when you get it. So Panaway is a blend of wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint. So those oils together are going to help support your bones and your muscle structures and those systems. So it's a good way if you have some overworked muscles or some pain in different areas of your body. It's a good way to just rub that on and to help those areas calm down. So again, Panaway, this is in your Premium Starter Kit. Make sure that you click subscribe on Young Living the Good Life on YouTube, and you can learn about all of our oils, and you can learn about so many more products that we have available. See you on the next video.